How to restore lost or accidentally deleted photos or videos from picture gallery on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, open up the picture gallery. Then in here, tap on the More button. Then tap on Trash. In the Trash page, go down and try to look for the pictures that you want to restore. So here, let's say I want to select this picture. So simply touch and hold onto one of the image. So in the trash, you can touch and hold onto one of the image, and that will take you to the selection mode. In here, you can select one or multiple items to restore. After that, go down to the bottom and tap on the restore button. And that's it. Those deleted images and videos will now be restoring back to your gallery. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.